In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query Google Analytics data. If you've ever wondered how to dive deeper into your website's performance metrics using Google Analytics, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. To begin your data adventure, you'll first want to visit the GA4 Query Explorer. This is a powerful tool that lets you craft custom queries to delve into the analytics for your website or app. You'll start by signing in with your Google account that has access to the specific GA4 property you're interested in. Make sure this is the account linked to your website's Google Analytics, as you won't be able to access the data otherwise. Once you've signed in, you'll need to select the correct account, property, and data stream you want to examine. This is a crucial step because it connects you to the data that matters most to you. Take your time to ensure you've selected exactly what you need. The interface makes it straightforward, but it's essential to double-check. Now, with your groundwork laid, it's time to select the metrics and dimensions you're interested in. Think of metrics as the quantified measurements, like active users or event counts, that tell you about user interactions. Dimensions, on the other hand, are the characteristics of your data, like the user's country or the specific page path they visited. Selecting the right combination of these helps create a clearer picture of your website's performance. Next, you'll want to set the date range for your query. Here, you have the flexibility to focus on a specific day, a month, or any period that aligns with the insights you wish to extract. Depending on the nature of your analysis, varying the date range can reveal different trends or anomalies, so don't hesitate to experiment here. If you need more refined data, you might consider applying filters. These are optional but incredibly useful if you want to hone in on a specific subset of your traffic or behavior on the site. Filters act like a sieve, letting through only the data that fits your specified criteria. Once you have everything set up the way you want, go ahead and click on Run Query to execute your request. This is where the magic happens. The tool goes to work, organizing and pulling the data according to your specifications. After a brief moment, you'll have access to the results in JSON format. While these results might look a bit technical at first, JSON is a flexible format that can be exported or shared for further analysis. You can bring it into other tools for deeper insights or store it for documentation purposes. And there you have it. You've successfully queried your Google Analytics data using the GA4 Query Explorer. Whether you're looking to draw fresh insights or verify past trends, this process offers a powerful means to better understand your audience's behavior and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.